Hey everyone, Zendure's solar-powered e-bike prototype, unveiled at IFA, represents an ambitious leap toward merging home energy systems with e-mobility. The company, known for its portable power and solar solutions, showcased an electric cargo bike that draws its energy entirely from household electricity and renewable solar sources. Designed to demonstrate the future potential of sustainable transport, the Zendure e-bike features a modular power system, intelligent technology, and a focus on long-distance capability rarely seen in the e-cargo category. At the heart of the concept is its detachable AB2000E CLIFE-PO4 battery, which boasts a capacity of just under 2 kilowatt-hours. This robust unit can deliver an exceptional range of up to 400 kilometers in eco mode, while even in sport mode, riders can expect an impressive 200 kilometers on a single charge. Charging flexibility is one of its key strengths. The bike can be recharged through several methods: standard residential power, a dedicated charger, Zendure's battery balcony power station, or even an optional solar roof mounted directly on the bike. The latter is more than a gimmick. Under ideal sunlight, just 20 minutes of solar exposure can add roughly 10 kilometers of range. Moreover, Zendure's system claims to recharge 5 times faster than conventional e-cargo bikes, offering an additional 100 kilometers of range after just 1 hour of charging. Beyond its energy innovations, the Zendure e-cargo bike integrates a suite of intelligent and security-focused technologies. Keyless operation via NFC makes daily use convenient, while 4G GPS tracking ensures constant monitoring and theft protection. The integrated software sends instant alerts if suspicious movement is detected, and both audible and visual alarms act as deterrents. These smart features align with Zendure's vision of connected, user-friendly mobility that fits seamlessly into a broader ecosystem of devices. Performance is aided by a reliable Bafang mid-drive motor, known for its balance of torque and efficiency, and the sturdy construction of the battery ensures safety and thermal stability. The companion Zendure app provides real-time updates on location, battery status, and even environmental impact, reflecting the company's commitment to transparency and sustainability. What truly distinguishes this concept is the versatility of the battery. Rather than being confined to the e-bike, the power pack is part of Zendure's broader Zen Plus ecosystem. It can operate as a portable power source for off-grid situations or serve as an expansion unit for home solar setups like the Zendure SolarFlow 800 Pro. This adaptability allows users to repurpose the same energy module to run household appliances, camping gear, or outdoor lighting, effectively merging home and travel energy solutions into one integrated system. While the e-cargo bike remains in the prototype stage, Zendure's goal is to refine the system through community feedback before moving toward production. The concept primarily serves as a demonstration of how household energy storage and electric mobility can coexist in a circular, sustainable model. With its modular battery technology already deployed in other Zendure products, the company holds a unique advantage in standardizing power solutions across different use cases. Pricing, release dates, and final specifications remain unknown, but the Zendure solar e-bike stands as one of the most forward-thinking examples of how clean energy and personal transport could merge into a unified ecosystem for the future. Thanks for watching. I hope this video was helpful to you. Have a nice day and God bless you.